But we can all wish. It doesn't mean that wish is going to come true, but there will be some breaks. Right now, there are some breaks in the Hudson Valley, but if you're in southern Westchester, southwestern Connecticut, perhaps if you're Greenwich, Connecticut, for instance, it is raining, and then in toward the Bronx, we actually have a little clip there that's coming down at a pretty good pace if you look closely in the Bronx, moving from upper Manhattan. But here's a look at the futurecast. A greater chance as we head into the afternoon hours, so have the umbrella handy. You're certainly going to need it, and continue to have it even for your Saturday. Now, the heaviest rain coming through tonight into tomorrow, those cells really intensifying, and then there could be some snow showers, some more of it inland. So that's something that we're going to watch. Right now, the winter weather advisory only for Western Ulster. We will let you know if it gets expanded. As of late, we're looking at this. It may be a little bit overdone, considering that, you know, the sun's angle is at a higher point in the sky. Not really going to see like widespread blockbuster snow amounts, but it's enough to be a nuisance and to definitely slow you down. Winds out of the northeast, and those winds will be quite gusty. Close to an inch to almost 2 inches in some locations. Some areas getting a little bit less, but either way, there may be some ponding on the road, so we'll keep that in mind. Her look at preliminary snowfall totals as well. We could get up to a few inches, as we mentioned, across parts of the Hudson Valley. Pretty much interior sections. If you're within Manhattan, for instance, the 5 boroughs, Nassau, Suffolk, it's just going to be plain old rain. Temperatures in the 40s right now, still in the 40s this afternoon, not going to budge too much, maybe cooling off a little bit. Just keep in mind that it's going to feel even colder than that. Here's a look at your Saturday. By the afternoon, it looks very spotty in nature. That's why I'm saying, hey, it's not going to necessarily be an all-day washout, but you may find that there may be some drizzle. And then Sunday looks a bit drier with a chance, just a chance of a few showers. There's a look at your 7-day forecast. Milder temperatures lie ahead. We'll send it over to Greg Malker with a look at your traffic.